I want to ask you something, and I want you to actually sit with it for a second before you answer. How long have you been trying to fix your finances? Budgets, strategies, courses, affirmations, the whole thing. And how much has actually changed? If your honest answer is not enough, then what I'm about to share with you might be the most important thing you hear today. Because the reason it has not worked is not what you think. Most people believe their money problems are about money, about not earning enough, not saving enough, not knowing the right strategies. But after working with thousands of people, I can tell you that's almost never the real issue. The real issue is what's running underneath. See, by the time we are adults, our subconscious mind has already formed deep beliefs about money, about whether it's safe, whether we deserve it, whether people like us are even supposed to have it. And those beliefs, most of which we have never even consciously examined, quietly shape every financial decision we make. They decide how much we allow ourselves to earn, whether we go after that opportunity or talk ourselves out of it, whether we hold on to money or watch it disappear. So, when you try to change your finances with strategy and willpower alone, you are fighting against a program that's been running for decades. That's why it keeps feeling like two steps forward, one step back. Hi, I'm Payal Gulati, and before I was a coach, I was a media editor. Spent years telling other people's stories. Stories of struggle, of turning points, of people who found a way through. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, I started asking a different question. Not just why some people stayed stuck, but why, even when everything externally was fine, so many people still felt blocked financially, emotionally, in their sense of what they deserve. That question sent me deep into NLP, EFT, Hope No No, tools that don't just work at the surface level. They go to where the real patterns live. And what I found changed everything about how I understood financial struggles. It was never about effort, it was about what people believed deep down was possible for them. When those beliefs shift, everything else starts to shift with them. I have worked with entrepreneurs who were stuck at the same income level for years and shifted into growth within weeks. Not because they hustled harder, because they cleared what was blocking the flow. Professionals who kept talking themselves out of asking for a raise, who finally asked and got it. Business owners who were quietly self sabotaging every deal that came close to succeeding. The change in these people was not gradual. It was like watching someone finally put down a weight they did not know they had been carrying. And the starting point, every single time, was the same: understanding what was actually running beneath the surface, which is exactly what I would like to help you do. If any of this is landing for you, I want to invite you to book a private one to one clarity call with me. I call it the Money Unblock Call. It's not a sales call, it's not a webinar, it's just a real conversation. Before we talk, you will fill in a short money blocks assessment. So we come into the session already knowing what to focus on. And then in the call itself, we go beneath the surface together. We look at the specific patterns and beliefs that are shaping your financial life right now. And you leave with complete clarity on what actually needs to shift. Not more strategies, not more willpower, the real thing. The call is rupees 199. And I want to say something honestly. The cost of not doing this is not 199. The cost of not doing this is another year in the same place. Another year of trying harder and wondering why nothing is moving. You have already been trying. You deserve to finally understand why. The link is right below. Book your slot. I will see you on the call.